Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at why is your washer leaking water on the floor? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Washers can leak water for a few reasons. If you have a top-load washer, the first thing that you will want to check is your hot and cold water inlet hoses. Your inlet hoses have seals on each end, and sometimes these seals can become brittle over time, causing water to leak. During the fill cycle, you can examine these hoses to see if there's any leakage coming from them. It is recommended to replace your hoses every 4 to 5 years as routine maintenance. The second thing to check is your water inlet valve. Your water inlet valve is connected to the hot and cold hoses, one end of the hose to the water supply, and the other end to the water inlet valve. Sometimes these inlet valves are made of hardened plastic and can develop a leak in the diaphragm or around the housing of the valve. If leaking occurs from this, it will need to be replaced. The third area is to check your drain hose. Make sure the drain hose is securely fastened in the drain and is not laying on the floor. Make sure when the unit goes through the drain cycle that there is no water coming back out of the drain. If your drain gets backed up or plugged while the unit is draining, some of the water will back up and overflow over the top of the drain hole. If this happens, you will need to call someone to snake out the drain assembly. The fourth thing to check would be the pump hoses or the pump itself. To examine this, the unit would have to be taken apart. If you have a front-load washer, there is a possibility that your door baffle assembly could be torn or just old. The door baffle assembly must be secure and in good condition, so the unit does not leak once going through a cycle. It is easy to examine, as you can put the unit on a large load and examine for water leaks as the unit is running. For diagnostic and replacement videos on water inlet hoses and valves, drain hoses, pumps, door baffles and seals, visit ApplianceVideo.com. And if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.